In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Visa gift card on your PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly redeem and use your Visa gift card as a payment method on the PlayStation Store. This will allow you to purchase games, expansions, and even in-game currency for any game available on the PlayStation 5. So to start, I recommend doing this entirely through the PlayStation Store, but you can also manage your payment methods if you go over to these settings. If you want to do this through the PlayStation Store, open it up and then access the settings over here. You will be able to go to Payment Methods. When you select the payment methods, you will see all of the payment methods attributed to your account, and all that you have to do is choose the option to link a credit or debit card. This should also apply for any standard Visa gift card that you have, so choose this option here. Immediately upon selecting credit or debit card, you will have the option to input all of the necessary details, so the credit or debit card number, the expiry date, and then the security code. When you are asked to input the name on the card, you can simply input yours, or an alternative one if you prefer. Once you have input all of these details here, so 4 main details, you will be able to tap continue, and the card should be attributed as a payment method into your account. Now, you can try purchasing something directly using this card, so add items to your basket, proceed to checkout, and see if it works. If it does not work, then what I recommend is that you purchase funds into your account. You can find the option to add funds when you go over to payments and subscriptions on the settings, or alternatively, when you choose the option to add funds through the PlayStation Store. Just access the settings, find the option here, add funds, and then you can specify the amount of funds that you want to add. So you can type out a custom amount based on how much you have on your Visa gift card. This way you can ensure that you will only add the necessary amount and no partial payments will be issued. You can use your funds directly to purchase any games, expansions, and in-game currency. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a vanilla Visa gift card on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.